Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the audio settings in R.E.P.O. Let's begin by opening the settings menu, then going into audio settings. Here you can reset those settings to the default, change the master volume. This setting is responsible for overall volume of the game, music volume is responsible for the volume of the music, SFX volume is responsible for the sound effects, proximity voice volume, it is responsible for the proximity voice chat, and text-to-speech speaks for itself. Here you can change the microphone depending on which one you use, and change the microphone volume. You can enable or disable the push-to-talk setting right here. After you make your changes, simply hit back or reset them to default, whatever, hit back and you are ready to play. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.